Want to get right to our top story of the morning. Thousands of families, they're without health care coverage right now after a deal could not be reached between United Healthcare and Phoenix Children's Hospital.
You know, people really want answers in this as it impacts so many people. There was hope an agreement would be made, but that deadline has passed.
So we want to bring in our Jade Cunningham. She's joining us live now and has been following it for us all morning long here. Jade, what are some having to say about it? Because we know there's a back and forth here on the blame game.
Yeah, you know, there is a back and forth, and as Emily was saying, you know, I'm sure a lot of people do want some answers, and they probably have a lot of questions at this time. So basically, what is going on here is that Phoenix Children's Hospital and United Healthcare have been trying to agree on a contract to keep Phoenix Children's Hospital within network. Negotiations had been going on now for about a month or so. They set a deadline of midnight on May 31st, but that came and went, and it does not seem like an agreement was made. This now makes Phoenix Children's Hospital out of network for United Healthcare customers. Also services like Phoenix Children's Medical Group, Phoenix Children's Pediatrics and Urgent Care Centers, all out of network. Now 17,000 families may have to go somewhere else for treatment. This, of course, is not ideal, especially because many of these patients are probably well established with their medical team and care. And if they choose to continue their care at PCH, they could be paying way more out of pocket. You know, we spoke with a mom who's been worried about these negotiations failing. Her daughter has an extremely rare genetic disorder and has a team of about 15 doctors at Phoenix Children's Hospital. She tells 12 News she just can't believe it's come to this.
I don't understand why they feel the need to take this out on the backs of kids and families. Ava's been through enough. She knows her doctors, and they know us. We want to keep them. It's really unbelievable that it's come to this point.
Now, Phoenix Children's Hospital has said all along that there are options for patients if negotiations failed. One of those options is for people to apply for a continuity of care, which basically would cover some of the costs for a certain amount of time. This is not a long-term fix, so they do recommend that people reach out to Phoenix Children's or even to their healthcare provider to try and get at least some of their answers, some of their questions answered. We will continue to follow this story, so you can also stay with 12 News for the latest. Reporting live, Jay Cunningham, 12 News, Today in AZ.